Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Westmount local and long-distance movers near me. With the help of a cheap Westmount moving company, you can make your local or long-distance move easier. 3 Movers offers the right options for your specific needs. We know how to make your move affordable and efficient. Get the right long-distance moving services today and make your move easier with us. We offer the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options to help make your relocation super easy. Our team offers full long-distance moving services to help you move 100 miles away or further. Let us take over your relocation and take away the stress. If you're ready to make your local move much easier, hire a Canada moving company. The right movers will do all the heavy lifting to help you get the move you want. With the best local movers, you'll be able to relax as you move. 3 Movers knows how to make sure you get the right moving options for your needs. We make it simple to move, whether it's up the road or all the way across town. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westmount moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.